Welcome to CK4RC. Hey, welcome back to the latest pro tip time. Today we're talking about rubber band ball. Huh? Rubber band ball. Excuse me? Rubber band ball. What's rubber band ball got to do with RCs? Nothing. Nothing. But if I'm going to take one up, I've got one the first try. You get a rubber band the right size, they can come in handy, especially when we're talking about crawlers. Listen, a lot of people use rubber bands for limiting straps when they run no springs on their shocks. Rubber band. Also, if you get the right size, you're on a trail, you blow out a shock, you can strap one of these on, kind of hook it up to your frame, hook it up to your axle. You can kind of hold things together. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Saved it. Saved it. Hold things together, get through a trail run. You got to have the right size for that, though. Anyway, rubber band ball. And there's your pro tip time.